Welcome to Intelligent Kids channel.
I am cooking dinner.
I am cooking dinner.
I am washing the dishes.
I am washing the dishes.
I am drying the dishes.
I am drying the dishes.
She is watering the plants.
She is watering the plants.
I am making the bed.
I am making the bed.
I am raking leaves.
I am raking leaves.
He is washing the car.
He is washing the car.
He is making coffee.
He is making coffee.
I am doing the laundry.
I am doing the laundry.
We are hanging the clothes out.
We are hanging the clothes out.
We are cleaning the windows.
We are cleaning the windows.
She is vacuuming the carpet.
She is vacuuming the carpet.
I am tidying up the kitchen.
I am tidying up the kitchen.
She is mopping the floor.
She is mopping the floor.
She is hanging up the laundry.
She is hanging up the laundry.
She is baking cookies.
She is baking cookies.
She is dusting the furniture.
She is dusting the furniture.
I am ironing the clothes.
I am ironing the clothes.
She is folding the laundry.
She is folding the laundry.
I am weeding the garden.
I am weeding the garden.
My dad is wrapping a gift.
My dad is wrapping a gift.
My brother is washing the fruits.
My brother is washing the fruits.
Jassy is arranging flowers.
Jassy is arranging flowers.
My mom is sewing a dress.
My mom is sewing a dress.
She is feeding the cat.
She is feeding the cat.
She is packing a suitcase.
She is packing a suitcase.
I am painting the wall.
I am painting the wall.
She is cooking breakfast.
She is cooking breakfast.
She is cleaning the oven.
She is cleaning the oven.
I am sweeping the floor.
I am sweeping the floor.
My brother mowing the lawn.
My brother mowing the lawn.
He is cleaning the bathroom.
He is cleaning the bathroom.
She is packing a lunchbox.
She is packing a lunchbox.
I am watering the flowers.
I am watering the flowers.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel for more videos.